Disclaimer: this content is for educational awareness only, not a promotion.
Hey everyone, welcome back to D Reviews, the channel where we separate facts from fakes and expose viral hoaxes before they fool you. Today's viral sensation looks straight out of a simulation glitch. Private houses built on the roof of a shopping mall. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, let's find out if this viral post is real or fake. At first glance, the photo looks like someone took the Sims game too seriously and dropped houses on top of a giant mall. Social media pages like Who Cares have been circulating it with captions like private houses on the roof of the mall. So what's the truth? Well, this one is actually real. The image comes from Zhuzhou, Hunan Province, China, where developers and wealthy individuals built standalone villas on the rooftop of a shopping mall. Yes, we're not kidding. These aren't AI generated and they're not Photoshop trickery. They're actual houses with gardens, driveways, and a bird's eye view of the entire city. But why would anyone build houses on a mall rooftop? The answer: space and status. In crowded Chinese cities, land is scarce and expensive. So some architects got creative. Instead of wasting rooftop space, they transformed it into high-end residential property. This isn't even the first time something like this happened. China has also seen rooftop gardens, rooftop swimming pools, and even a fake mountain built on top of a skyscraper. Urban planners call it sky living. We call it next level flexing. Imagine inviting your friends over. Where do you live? Oh, you know, just above the food court next to KFC. And the best part, if you ever run out of groceries, you just take the elevator downstairs. Talk about convenience. So to answer the big question, is this viral post real or fake? It's 100% real. These rooftop houses exist and they're not going anywhere anytime soon, unless the mall goes out of business. What do you think? Would you live in a house on top of a mall, or does it sound too crazy? Let us know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to D Reviews for more breakdowns of viral posts, scams, and internet mysteries.